After a successful tug of war for the Central Bank of Uganda over CBR, commercial banks have come up with new strategies aimed at maintaining high-digit earnings. Banks are already in high promotions, offering customers quick loans to enable parents meet tuition fees for their children, while others have increased transaction charges. A statement obtained by WBS indicates that effective February, United Bank of Africa will charge 2,500 shillings on withdrawals over the counter, up from 1,000 shillings. ATM withdrawals have as well been increased from 500 shillings to 1,500 and 7,000 shillings at Visa Bank ATMs, according to a source who preferred anonymity.
It's not fair and it's not good at all to include the money when the income of people is still so low. Make people to get a good income, and then they're going to increase the money.
A customer will also forfeit 20% of his or her interest in case termination is made on fixed or term deposits.
If you go to the counters are becoming problems. If you don't have an ATM card, you're all in problems. So the best would be, if they increase their withdrawal charges, also they should look at the interest rates.
If banks are deciding, if majority of banks are going on increasing their charges on ATM cards, that means maybe either the reserve requirements that they are supposed to hold with the central bank is so high that they have failed to sustain their business. So the only way is to push the effect to customers.
Efforts to get an official position on the bank were futile, as the bank's head of quality and service simply trashed the document. This could work for banks that chooses to do so, since the central bank has no capacity to control other charges levied by commercial banks except regulating interest rates. This is likely to fuel customers changing banks in search for banks with a cheaper transaction rate, or having severe impact on the already poor saving culture. Kennes Bwire, WBS Business.